Are you ready to take control of your Toncoin? In this tutorial, we will walk you through the simple steps to transfer Toncoin from your Tonkeeper wallet to your Telegram wallet. Let's dive in. Step 1. Prepare your wallets. First, ensure you have both a Tonkeeper wallet and a Telegram wallet set up. You will also need some Toncoin in your Telegram wallet for this transfer. Step 2. Get your Tonkeeper address. Open your Tonkeeper app, tap on Receive to display your wallet address. Copy this address, you will need it for the next step. Step 3. Initiate the transfer. Switch back to your Telegram app, tap on Send and then choose External Wallet. Select Toncoin as the cryptocurrency. Paste the Tonkeeper address you copied earlier into address field. Step 4. Complete the transfer. Enter the amount of Toncoin you wish to transfer. Tap Continue, review your details and then hit Confirm. The transfer might take a few minutes, so be patient. Once completed, you will see that your Toncoin has successfully moved from Telegram to Tonkeeper. And there you have it. You have just transferred Toncoin between wallets with ease. This skill not only enhances your crypto management but also empowers you in the digital currency space. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Happy trading!